Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your age on Roblox. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to head to the Roblox settings or the Roblox website first. Then we need just to go to settings where we can change our age. And basically, you need just either go here and search for the settings by going to the profile and go to settings, or you can just basically click on settings here. You click settings, and here we will find account info, security, privacy, etc. Then we need just to search for the account info, and basically here we will find the personal info, and this is the birthday. So here we can change our age on Roblox. You choose any month that you would like, day, and mostly the necessary thing is the year. So you go for any earlier year so you can and then you just choose any year that you would like, and after that you will need just to verify your age or just leave it without a verification if you want just to leave it as not as authentic as it is. And also you can do the same steps on your Roblox desktop app. So here we go to the desktop app, so we just type Roblox, we go to our Roblox player app, and we wait for the game to launch. So now here we need just to go to settings. So to search for the setting, we click just on this three dots icon here. We go to settings, and of course we want the account info as we did exactly on the website. And here we can change the settings. So as you can see, we will have the same settings as before. You do the same steps and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.